Hi, everyone. Good afternoon. Happy almost Memorial Day weekend. It's Louise and Katie. Maggie's still out on maternity leave, and we bring you tidings of how the market is doing. So I guess we'll start with Katie Lovewell, and she will tell us how the different cities are doing. And talking to Katie earlier, it sounds like kind of a mixed bag. There are some that show that the prices are going up, some kind of level, some a little bit down. But it seems like that most cities, I think Katie, you would agree, the inventory is really low. So it's like there are places on the market, but not a lot of places.
For sure. All right, so we'll start in Southern Alameda. We'll start with Fremont. And so for Fremont, as you can see, what's typical is that prices are already going up in January, but as you can also see, both the average and median sales price have both gone down over this past month, which again is kind of surprising when you look at houses for sale in terms of active. This year, there's only 36. Last year, there were 81. So it's definitely half as many on the market right now. So inventory definitely very low in Fremont. Then we have Hayward. Again, prices are going up in January. Seems like they're coming down again. Again, inventory last year, there were 76 active. Right now, there are just 43. For San Leandro, definitely going up again, January, February. It seems like we're going down. And inventory is lower than last year. It's 32 versus 40, which is not a huge change, but still lower overall. Castro Valley, interestingly enough, is not showing a decrease in price like the other cities. And inventory is still lower than last year. It's 23 right now versus 30 from the year before. Moving to Alameda, price is still kind of going up like Castro Valley. Active is 24 compared to 27 last year. Then moving to Oakland, prices going down again. After March, it seems like certain cities are they're going down. So in March or April right now, we have 257 active homes. Last year there were 300. Moving on to Berkeley. Berkeley still shows prices going up in both average and median sales price. Again, inventory down. Last year at this time, 67 homes. Right now there's 41 active homes. Moving east to Pleasanton, definitely like the decrease in prices going down. Inventory also down from last year was 47. Right now it's 38. And lastly, looking at Livermore, price is still going, right by Pleasanton, price is still going up. And definitely a big change between the actives inventory in terms of how many homes are on the market. 77 were on the market this time last year versus 39 this year. So overall, the one thing that's consistent across all the cities is that inventory is down. Louise, did you want to add something about how things are?
Just before the meeting, I just pulled up the total. So this is even lower than you had in San Leandro. I think you had like 30 or something. Anyway, right now, as of May 23rd, it is down to 15. So it's definitely low. And I know when we had our open houses, we definitely had a lot of people coming through. So it seems like, people want to buy. And I think, at least the article that I read, is that a lot of sellers are just, they're not sure where to go or what to do. And, especially if they've got a low interest rate of around 3 something, do they want to jump and buy something and have a loan of 6% or 6.5% or whatever it is? So it's a bit of a quandary. So if you're a buyer and you can find something you like and you're not getting outbid by a lot of people, you could have a chance. It's just, being able to jump in and do it. But it just seems like everybody's, what can I say, cautious. I guess that's the word. The buyers are cautious and the sellers are cautious. Wouldn't you say, Katie?
Yeah, I guess everyone's really watching the market to see if or price is going to come down, or price is going to come up more, because it's hard for, you know, sellers are thinking about what happened last year at this time. Prices were really going up and things were selling for higher than they've ever had before. And they're not bad. They're very still, I mean, I do see, you know, a downward trend, but overall, historically, these prices are very good. So
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, pretty much everything we've sold this year has had like a minimum of 3 to 6 offers. So I think they've done pretty well, and we have some buyers, and we just have to hopefully we can fit, what is it? Put the round circle in the peg in the round circle or whatever. It's like, it could work, but again, it's like sellers are a little bit, worried about putting their houses on the market, and buyers, like you're saying, are kind of worried to see, is this the best they're going to do with the interest rates? I mean, I think I read something that I don't think the feds are going to raise the interest rates anymore this year, but I don't know.
right. And they are, what we've been told is they are projected at some point, maybe in the next 6 months, the next year, to hopefully start coming down. So ideally, I mean, it's hard to say for sure, but for those people who are buying right now with these interest rates that are, you know, twice as high as they were a year ago, that they could hopefully refinance. But, you know, that's I think the scary thing for people is, what if it doesn't get better, and can they continue to afford these rates? So it'll be interesting to see what happens in the next month.
Yes. So hopefully next month we'll have to do it early, because Katie will be going on vacation. Maybe we can have Bill kind of see how things are doing, and who knows, maybe Maggie will want to join us. So that's
All
it.
right.
So have a wonderful, happy Memorial weekend. Be safe and have a wonderful time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.